In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the gallery page in Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing one, getting familiar with how to effectively manage and showcase your images can profoundly enhance your site's visual appeal. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to make the most of your gallery page. The first thing you need to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're on the Squarespace login page, you'll see the login button. Click on that, and then you'll be presented with several options to continue. For ease and efficiency, choose the Continue with Google option, especially if you have your website linked through your Google account. This option not only saves you time, but also keeps things organized as you manage your various platforms and tools together. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on your website to access your dashboard. This dashboard serves as your control center where you can make all the necessary edits and updates to your site. Now, to begin editing your gallery page, you'll want to navigate towards the Edit option. This typically appears prominently on your dashboard, making it easy to find and access. With the page ready for editing, you'll notice a button labeled Add Section. Go ahead and click on that. Adding a new section is crucial because it allows you to create and organize your content modules comprehensively. Following this, you'll want to select the Images option. This is where you'll start building your gallery by aggregating all your chosen images into one cohesive section. Once you've selected images, the next step is to choose a gallery view. Gallery view offers several layout choices that uniquely display your images, so take a moment to explore these different options and decide which suits your style and content best. To refine and customize your gallery further, click on Edit Gallery. This is an essential step because it gives you access to tools and features that enhance your gallery's effectiveness and aesthetic. To populate your gallery with images, click on the plus icon. This action allows you to add the photographs you wish to include in your gallery. For efficiency, feel free to select multiple images at once. After selecting your images, proceed by clicking Upload Images. This step allows you to transfer your images from your local storage to your Squarespace site. Once uploaded, these images will appear in your gallery, ready to be viewed by visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully utilized the gallery page feature on Squarespace 7.1 and are well on your way to presenting your visual content beautifully online. Remember, the key to a stunning website is consistent updates and visual engagement, and now you have the tools to achieve just that. Happy designing, and thanks for tuning in today.